Hey everyone, how's it going? Good afternoon, good morning, whatever what time it is that you're seeing this video. I'm AJ, still camping in my neighborhood. Hope you're doing good. Today's video, we're going to be picking a spot. If you saw the video before this one, I did a scouting video about finding a good stealth camping spot on the road. And I found one. Here, let me show you. This spot here is right on the road here in my neighborhood. And this one's going to be an interesting one. Look how thick it is. All the stuff here. And I'll show you guys on the other side. I'm at my little park doing something more scouting, but I thought this would be a first good start stealth camping in my neighborhood besides the previous one. Look at all this room back here. I could walk over here, sit down, talk to you guys. So what do you guys think? The only way that you can see me if you're coming from direction, but sorry about that. So if you're walking this way, you might see me. See right there, that little hidden spot right here. Yeah. But at nighttime, it looks way different. But hope you guys enjoy my page. I'm AJ. I'm still camping in my neighborhood. Let's go and find some good spots. See you later, you campers out there.